This video demonstrates how to make a contact sheet using Adobe Lightroom. You're going to begin by locating your files. I have all of my images in a folder named Contact Sheet. I'm going to pull that folder down and drop it on top of the icon that says Adobe Lightroom Classic. It's essential that you use Adobe Lightroom Classic for this. Once the images are loaded, I'm going to click Import at the bottom right. All of my images are now in the library. I'm going to sort them, View, Sort by file name. And want to choose the first 20 images. You need 20 images on each of your contact sheets. So I click on the first image, I hit the Shift key, and I come down and click on the 20th. So now I have 20 images selected. I'll go to the top and I'll choose the Print dialog box. Now I'm going to make some adjustments in the layout style. We want single image contact sheet. Image settings you can leave as is. You might want to click rotate to fit if you think your images are too small. That will allow the images to be larger. Don't choose zoom to fill. That will cut into some of your images. You want a little bit of room on the edges for the margins. We want to make sure that your page grid is properly set at 4 by 5. We have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns across. You can keep coming down. For page, we want your photo info clicked. You can have a custom setting here that includes your exposure and your ISO speed ratings. Those are two things that need to be included. You can see here I have my shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. That must be included on your contact sheets. Then we come down to the print job. You want to print to a JPEG file. You want your file resolution to be at least 185 ppi. You want your custom file dimensions to be that of a custom sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11 inches. Then you can come down and click Print to File. You'll save it with our standard naming convention. You'll choose your class number. This is PH115. We put 115. Then your last name, first initial, your module number, and the image number. This will be saving it where? To my desktop as a JPEG file. Click Save. And now I have a contact sheet completed on my desktop.